Welcome to English Learning Lounge, a calm place to practice English.
Without pressure.
In today's episode, I'm cooking dinner for Sarah.
Let's watch together.
I haven't seen Sarah in a while. I wonder what she is doing right now. You know what? I should invite her for dinner. Hey, Sarah, I was thinking maybe you want to come over tonight. I'm cooking dinner.
Hey Mike, how are you doing?
Sarah, I'm doing great. So you're coming or what?
Wait, you are cooking?
Hey, I can cook.
Mike, last time you burned toast.
That was one time. Tonight, I'm making a real dinner. Time for grocery shopping. Be careful, everybody. Chef Mike is on the move. Almost there, just need to find a spot.
I didn't know Mike could cook. I can't wait to see what the chef is preparing for us.
All right, ingredients. Pasta, tomatoes, garlic. Easy. Still easy.
Last time things didn't go as expected. My dog sitter. She's leaving in 10 minutes. I'm so dumb I forgot Bruno.
What, Bruno? Oh no.
I need to go. Mike, I'm so sorry. I really have to go now.
It's okay.
Well, I hope this time it's going to be different.
Which one is parsley? Excuse me, do you know which one is parsley?
It's that one.
Great. Thanks. Well turned out grocery shopping was not that hard. All right, Chef Mike is ready. Step 1, let's chop tomatoes. Oops, that's not good. Maybe that's enough. One teaspoon of salt.
It's almost 9 o'clock. I hope I can make it in time.
A little salty, but it's all right. Oh no. Okay, relax. Don't you dare. Fresh air! Perfect timing.
Hi, Mike. Do I smell smoke?
No, everything is fine.
Well, that's a very creative way of cooking. You know what? I have a better idea. Honestly, pizza was a good idea.
Much safer.
So, how long were you cooking?
About 2 hours.
2 hours. For that?
Cooking is harder than it looks.
Next time I'll teach you.
Chef Mike will return someday. Thanks for watching our story.
If you enjoyed learning English with us,
Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Lounge. See you in the next story.
bye everyone!